Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn about the newly introduced update TDS Nature of Payment Report in Form 26Q in TallyPrime Release 5.0. You will also learn how to update your existing natures of payment to the new nature of payment for automated threshold and TDS calculation for Section 194Q using this report. This report can also update transactions where TDS is set to not applicable to a new category that should be included in the TDS return. In TallyPrime 4.1 and earlier, you created to nature of payments to record TDS on purchases under Section 194Q. 1 for below the threshold limit for transactions under the limit of Rs 50 lakhs. And another for above the threshold limit for transactions crossing the limit of Rs 50 lakhs. In TallyPrime Release 5.0, you can update the natures of payment for below the threshold limit to the nature of payment for above the threshold limit. By doing so, you can automate TDS calculation for all your existing and upcoming transactions for TDS on purchases under Section 194Q using a single nature of payment. Before we proceed to update the natures of payment, it is highly recommended to take a backup of your data. First, let us alter the existing nature of payment used to record transactions above the threshold limit. On the gateway of Tally, press A or click Alter. Select TDS Nature of Payments under Statutory Masters. Select the nature of payment used to record transactions above the threshold limit. On the TDS Nature of Payment alteration screen, enter the threshold exemption limit as 50 lakhs. Press F12, Configure, and set the option Allow calculating tax on value exceeding the threshold exemption limit to Yes, and press Enter. Once you enable the configuration, you will see the option Calculate tax on value exceeding the threshold exemption limit on the alteration screen. Set it to Yes. Enter the rate applicability date as the starting date of the financial year or as required. Press Ctrl A to save the TDS nature of payment. Now, let us update the nature of payments used to record transactions below the threshold limit to the altered nature of payment configured to calculate tax on value exceeding the threshold limit. Press Alt-G. Type and select Form 26Q. Press Ctrl-J or click the Exception Reports Right button. Select Update TDS Nature of Payment from the list of exception reports. You can select the name of group and name of ledger if required. Or select all items and press Enter. The Update TDS Nature of Payment report opens with Category or Nature of Payment view. Under Particulars, you can see the nature of payment with the party masters. You can also view the report party-wise. Press F5 for a party-wise view. Let us say you want to update the nature of payment for below the threshold limit transactions of a party to the nature of payment configured to calculate tax on value above the threshold limit. Press the space bar to select the nature of payment for below the threshold limit. Press Alt-H or click the Update Nature of Payment right button. Select the nature of payment configured to calculate tax on value above the threshold limit. You will get a query message stating that the selected nature of payment will be updated in all related TDS transactions and it will impact your Form 26Q. You can check the impact on Form 26Q after updating the nature of payment. Press Y or click Yes to update the nature of payment. The nature of payment will be updated. Since you have updated the nature of payment to above threshold, you can alter and rename it for usage as a common nature of payment for all your TDS under Section 194Q transactions. Press Alt-G, Alter Master. TDS Nature of Payments. Select the nature of payment for above threshold and rename it. Press Ctrl-A to save. Similarly, you can also update the nature of payment for transactions of parties with TDS set to Not Applicable. This can also be useful when you start the implementation of TDS in the middle of the year. Note that you can update only one nature of payment at a time. In case you select multiple natures of payment, in the Update TDS Nature of Payment report, you will not be able to update the nature of payment. This is how you can update the nature of payment in Form 26Q and also Form 27Q in TallyPrime. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl plus F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp for assistance. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.